Subject-verb agreement. Children, we will practice English conversation today. You will all tell me something about yourself and your family.
I gets up at 6 a.m.
That is incorrect. We will use singular form of get verb with I. So the correct sentence is, I get up at 6 a.m.
My parents wake up at 5 a.m.
You are right. Here, parents are more than one, and with plural subject, we will use a plural verb, that is, wake. Definition. Subject-verb agreement means that a subject must agree with its verb in number and person. A singular subject needs a singular verb. A plural subject needs a plural verb. I, we, you, and they take plural verb. He, she, it take singular verb. Let us look at some other rules of subject-verb agreement. Each, either, neither, everybody, anyone, anybody, nobody, someone, somebody, everyone, and no one are singular, so they need a singular verb. Each of the girls will get a gift. Collective nouns are taken as singular and needs a singular verb. The team is working hard to win the match. If two or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by and they will need a plural verb, Rita and Suman are going to the market. Nouns with plural form but possessing singular meaning require singular verb. The news is shocking. Shivalik Ranges. The mountains on the border of the Chandigarh and Panchkula have many attractions for tourists. One of the attraction is Chauki Dhane, Kasoli Ranges, huge lush green valley for another 100 kilometers ahead. As the journey continues, tourists will enjoy snowy mountains of Shivalik Ranges. Melt water from the snowy mountains flows through rivers which reaches up to Indian Ocean. Tourists enjoy Ridge and the Mall Road of Shimla.